This car has carbon fiber in the front, carbon fiber on the side, and carbon fiber on the spoiler. What's up, everyone? You are on the Brinkofspeed 252 show. Scroll down, click that subscribe button, become part of this awesome community. Let's go! Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here's a Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix Association giveaway. We have a very desired 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 package and $30,000. With this red mist convertible, and you being a Brinkofspeed 252 member, viewer, and subscriber of this channel, you get 30% bonus entries on your entries. Check out this last winner of this beautiful 70th anniversary Corvette Z06. When you purchase your tickets, you're entering to win this 2024 Corvette Z06 plus $30,000, but you're also having individuals with autism and disabilities as well. Again, you get 30% bonus entries on your tickets, but get them while they last because it will run out soon. The way to get your tickets is by clicking the link down in my description below or clicking the link down in my pinned comment section. When you click the link, click donate now to enter. You will see the code CGarner, which will give you a 30% bonus entries. You click $25 up to $2,000. Obviously, the more tickets you get, the more chance you have to win this bad boy, and the more you have on a great cause as well. You go over, type in your information. Once you get your information typed in, you then click continue, and you just bought your tickets to win this beautiful 2024 Corvette Z06 plus $30,000, and you're having out a great cause. Let's go! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Brinkofspeed 252. And like I always say, I want to thank each and every single one of you for pushing that play button today and joining me on this episode. As you guys can see, I am here at the dealership. And you guys, if you watched my previous C7 Corvette video, I brought it out here because the airbag light was on, and now it is taken care of. This whole thing is literally ready to go. Although it is a little dusty out here in California, man. Just prepare for a lot of dust and dirt and debris. Outside of that, your car stay clean. But yes, I got my C7 back from the dealership, and I'm super stoked to drive it a little bit more. I didn't drive it around that much when I first got it out here because I was afraid of, possibly getting in a car accident and airbags not deploying or whatever the case may be. So I decided just, not drive it and eventually get it over here to the dealership to get them to take a look at it. So I know that a lot of you are here watching this video because you want to know what actually happened with it. Now, again, I'm going to say this before, I only had two problems with this car since owning it. The catalytic converter went bad and that airbag light came on. Outside of that, those are the only two issues. That catalytic converter got repaired under warranty and the airbag light did not. So the reason why the airbag light came on, according to the dealership, is because it had a wiring issue here in the door. And when I looked it up recently, like I said in my previous video, I listed 5 things that could have gone wrong with the airbag light coming on, and it literally did say that the wiring issue could be a thing. Over time, wires deteriorate, and that can cause something to trigger the airbag sensor, which can cause it to come on. So with that being said, I'm going to give you proof that light is no more an issue. So, as you guys can see, there's no more airbag light that is on in my vehicle. I'm super excited to see that because I don't like driving around with lights on. It is so annoying. I know the old school thing is, oh, just put a sticky note over it. And for me, can't do it. So I'm really stoked to be back in my C7 Corvette. Again, this is the first Corvette that I ever bought. And I love driving it, and I love the experience that this car has brought into my life. So now that airbag light is gone, let's discuss how much it actually costs. So at my dealership back in North Carolina, diagnostic fees will cost you anywhere between $140 to $165, depending on who you know, if they decide to give you a discount. Out here in California, diagnostic fees are $225 minimum. That's a lot more than what I'm used to paying. And so I decided to go ahead and get the airbag light fixed because I got tired of having that issue in my vehicle. And overall, to get this airbag light taken care of in this vehicle was $785. That was the total cost of getting it inspected, figuring out the issue, and taking care of the issue. So if you take away the 225 from the 785, that's what it costs to actually get this car overall repaired. Now, a lot of you guys on my channel really love the C7. You guys really love this car a lot. Like, a lot of you said, you know, don't ever sell it. If you do sell it, I'm interested in buying it and things like that. And it's a really, really reliable car. Really enjoy it. It's a super, super fast car because it's a Corvette. It's a Grand Sport, so I think it's your happy medium between the Stingray and the Z06. And I really appreciate what this car has brought to my channel over the years. But since we are here, I would like to go ahead and point out some of the cars they have here on the lot. So they have some pretty sweet rides. And let's go ahead and take a look at this Z06. So this Z06 is not a Z07 package. And I'm going to point out two cars here so you can kind of see the difference a little bit. This is a beautiful spec. I mean, beautiful spec. I love how it has the rare red right here on the side, which a lot of cars do not come with that. And I like how it ties in with the calipers too. As you guys can see, the calipers and that Z06 are looking almost identical as far as color matching goes. And I like how they have Corvette racing in the center caps. It's not just your normal C8 Corvette center cap. This is not the Z07 package. As you can tell, look at the calipers. They are not slotted or dotted like the ones that come with the Z07 package. And here shortly, I will show you what exactly that looks like and what it means. It does not have the big wing. It has the duck wing on it, which is a pretty cool spoiler. I like both. I'm a big wing guy at the end of the day, but this spoiler makes the car look a little bit more sleek. This is a convertible, as you cannot see the motor back here in the back, which convertible is super cool. I think convertibles are easy to get in and out of as far as lifting the top up, taking the top off with a button. When you look at the inside, it does have heated and cooled seats, so this is a minimum of a 2LZ, and it has the stock wheels on it as well with red seat belts. Now let's go over here and take a look. This car is up for sale for MSRP. It is a 2024 Corvette Z06 3LZ, as we all know, as an 8-speed, and the price is $141,820 bucks. Again, $141,820 bucks. This car is selling at MSRP. It is super clean, brand spanking new. So if you're looking for a car at MSRP, feel free to come on out here and check this bad boy out. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Amplify Orange Z06 Z07 package. Now, as we all know, this color is super nice. It kind of reminds me of the Rapid Blue in a sense, but this color is out because it's old and in with the new, which is Sebring Orange. Now, I'm going to say first and foremost, the Sebring Orange is not a new color because they already had this color before, but they're bringing it back. So it's old in a sense of we've seen it before, but it's new because they're bringing it back for 2025. Now, when I talked about the Z07 package, look at these rotors compared to the ones that we just saw in that previous car. You can see how these are substantially bigger than the ones on the car that we just saw. These are also still the factory wheels that comes with the vehicle, but you can see the center cap is also different on this one as well, because this one is your regular C8 center cap, whereas on the other car was more of your Jake logo racing center cap. This car has carbon fiber in the front, carbon fiber on the side, and carbon fiber on the spoiler. Whereas the other car I just showed you don't have any carbon fiber at all. If anything, it's mainly carbon flash. But this car is also a coupe compared to the one I just showed you, which is also a convertible. So you can actually see the motor in this bad boy as well. It doesn't have an engine cover, but you can take and get that at your own expense. And the coupe is also a good car to have too. I think, you know, when I think about the Z06 coupe versus convertible, the convertible looks more exotic, but the coupe is a lot more affordable in the sense of being able to save 7,500 bucks. Now, I will say, if you're interested in this bad boy, it will cost you $153,330 bucks. This is a 2024 Corvette Z06 Coupe 2LZ. So it seems that both of these cars have some similar things in mind and some non-similar things in mind. Obviously, the same motor, the same transmission, but this is a non-Z07 package and this is a Z07 package. And this is a really super nice color. I mean, a lot of people really love this color. This is a very exotic looking color. If you want the big wing, this is the way to go. You want the duck spoiler, this is the way to go. This car is obviously a little bit more expensive due to the fact that it is a convertible, but this car is also expensive because it has the Z07 package. But this car will cost you a little bit more due to the fact that it has a Z07 package, 3LZ, 2LZ. So that's the rundown I'm gonna give you on these Z06s right now. I may come back out again at some other point and give you some rundowns on all the other Stingrays and other Z06s they have here in a lot, and also in the showroom as well. But I just wanted to point out that they do have some beautiful cars out here for you guys to come take a look at. That is sold at MSRP. Their Stingrays are being sold for under MSRP, $2,000 by the way. And if you're interested in these vehicles, contact me, send me an email, leave a comment down below, and I can give you all the details you need about how to get to these vehicles, how to get you on, and go from there. Once again, my name is Brinkofspeed 252. I want to thank each and every single one of you for pushing that play button and joining me in this episode today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next episode.